How many of you, as a business owner, as a manager, facing this problem, you are not able to track your employee progress using email updates, even though you are asking them to send emails, but you are not able to track subsequent progresses. And that is what we will see in this video, how you can organize everything at one place using Microsoft Teams. But before I move forward, let me introduce myself. My name is Sandeep Mishra, who is helping business owners to automate their business process with the help of AI. So let's get started. So let's understand what is updates app is. Before we were taking updates on email and tracking all those emails for a longer time, it's a pain for you as a manager, as a business owner. So Microsoft designed updates app so you can design a form in a format you want to take update. For example, you want to take a different update from your marketing team. You want to take different update from your sales team, and you want to take different update from your operations team. So you can design form according to your department, and then you will organize everything at one place. Your team member will go and fill that form. You will have that form in your review section, and after that you can also check subsequent progress for that particular update. So there is no need to go and find all those emails which sent by your employee for that particular project, for that particular department. So everything you will do at one place using Microsoft Updates to track, update, and progress of your employee. So now it's time for live demo, and let me share my screen. So here in Microsoft Teams, you can see we have apps here. So click on apps. Once you will click on apps, you can see we have these many categories. It means that any app which you want to install within this category, you will click on this category and you will find lots of apps related to that particular category. So in our case, we want to install Microsoft Teams updates. So we'll search for updates. Once you will click, you can see here add. Click on add, and there from there you can add it. So let me add. Now it's added, and you can see here in our left menu bar. But if you will click on any other menu option, for example, Teams, you will lose it. So how you will make it consistent? In that case, again, let me find it. It's here. I will click, and now again I can see it's here. So in that case, you will right click on this menu option and pin it. Once you will pin, it will be here forever. You can also move it upper side or downside. So let me put it here. So now you can see after file we have updates. So after that, for example, if I want to access, I will click on updates, and this is the screen for Microsoft updates. The first option is submit, second option is review, and third option is manage. So under submit, you can see we have these many forms which we can submit. So any of your employee who will log in Microsoft Teams, they can see all the forms which are assigned to them for submission. And after that, you can see review. If you are reviewer in any form, you can see all the submission which is coming to you. And after that, we have manage. So from here, you can create new forms. So let's see how submission works. So I will go here. I will use daily update, and then what I can do is I will add my reviewer. For example, I can add anybody from my organization. So I will add Anup, and then key updates. I will type marketing blog completed, and then I will type whatever update for the day. I can also format it using all these options, style options available here. Then I can also plans for tomorrow. Then do you need any support? If I need any support, I will put S and then provide the additional details. So for that particular support, I can also add the details, then additional comments. So you can see how organized it is. Like I am typing that what I completed today, what I'm gonna do complete tomorrow, and if I need support, so which kind of support I want from my team. And then additional comments, if any screenshot or any report like that, I can attach and then I can submit it. So let me find daily updates September 20. It's automatically getting added because today date is 20. So that this is quite handy. So once we'll do that, let me add all the required field, plan for tomorrow, and then we have other options, other inputs, those are optional. Now I can submit. So I can submit it and my update will go to Anu. So you can see now it's here. So this is how I can see all my submission which I submitted. If anybody is submitting for my review, you can see these many forms are submitted for my review. So I can just go here. I can see sales update, 2 submissions, and Sandeep feedback form, 1 submission, daily update, no submission. So this is how all the forms in which you are assigned as a reviewer, you can see all those forms here. You can just click and see all the submission that is related to that particular form. So for example, Preeti Kumari assigned. So I can see all those things like total leads, total calls. And that is what I said, like you can design the forms according to your business requirement. You don't need similar kind of form for each and every department. That is what you can customize from here. So I can see like submission for 15th, submission for 18th. So you will have the date as well. So you can easily tap between those submissions and check that what is progress. After that, you can see we have manage here. So under manage, we have these many forms. That is, you can see like daily update, weekly update, project progress, incident report, shift handover of, and monthly update, maintenance request. So these many forms we have. Apart from that, if you want to create any custom form, in that case, you will click here and you will add, for example, updates for marketing. Then you will click on next. You can add questions here. Postings on social media. Total number of postings on social media. This is number, like you want number for that. You can make it required. Then you can add next question. Total views. Again, you can make it number, make it required. And you can add additional comment. You can make it rich text, and this is optional. So this is how you can create your form. Once form is designed, you will click on next, and now you can see workflow. So you want to assign to a specific person in your organization. You can select the specific people in your organization, people in your organization with a link. So you will share a link with everybody. It's not like that you are going to assign, you will just share a link and people from your organization can submit it. And this kind of submission is one time submission in the case you don't want that form should be assigned to each and every member. In that case you will create and share link. So after that, you can specify submitter. For example, I have specific people in my organization, so I will add my name, Sandeep. So I will get my name. If I want to assign to Anup, then I will search for Anup. So this is how you can assign people. You can find people and assign them. And after that, you can add reviewer. So I'm going to add myself here. So I will add. If you want that there should be an attachment, in that case you will on it, and here you can add you want one time, you want every weekdays. So this is how like updates you want sometimes, that is one time, sometimes you want that on every weekday or daily or weekly, monthly. So this is how you can organize this form. So this is quite handy. So let me do it like weekly. So in that case, you need to assign that you want on Monday or Tuesday, Wednesday, the day you want this form and the time you want this form to be submitted. If we select like monthly, in that case, we'll have like every first day of the month on 28th. So repeat one on 28th and on a particular time. So this is, you can also assign that how many times in a month, on which date and on which time. So that you can do from here. Apart from that, daily, that is like every day you will the employee, your employee or the person you already assigned, they will submit this form. And for weekdays, like from Monday to Friday, they will get notification to submit this form. So we'll have it like daily. In case like 4, that is okay. I will save this and then I will publish. Once you will publish, this will be live. You can copy URL from here and share with your team members. Either you will go in your submit and there you submit tab and you can see this form is here. So this is already scheduled for my submission. So I will at 4 p.m. So I will go at 4 p.m. If I will not do, then it will be in overdue. So I will go in overdue and see that what are the submissions are pending from my side. And in upcoming, I will have this form. So that's the beauty. Like you will come here, you can see what are the forms I didn't submit before and what are the forms coming at what time I need to submit. So it is very specific that on which time you want to submit this form. Once I will submit, let me submit this form. So I will go in here. I will total number of postings, for example, 2 viewer, for example, 500, uh, nothing. So attachment is there. I think I will just upload anything. This should not be there, but let me upload and then I can submit. So once I will submit, you can see it will be removed from this box. And now it's here in my submissions. And after that, I will go and review and I can see this is here. So I can see and you can see like you can click on this update and see submission. This is read only because this is submitted by your employee or any team member, so you can't edit it. You can just say it and give the thumbs up. Means this update is quite good. Or you can leave the comment and they will find the comment. So that is what you can see. Like you can submit your updates, you can review your updates, and you can manage your, you can create new forms from here. Apart from that, you can see here we have request and update. So in that case, if you want to request an update from anybody, you will either you will use a particular form which is already here, for example, daily forms, and you can use, then pick this template. Once you will pick, then you will click on next, and here you will again type the name like we did, for example, Anup. So I will type name of Anup, and then I will click on publish. So now I requested an update from Anup. Also, in some cases, for example, you want to submit a quick update. It's not requested to you, but you want to submit that update. In that case, you will click on quick, submit a quick update. Again, you will type name here. For example, I will type Anup, and then what's new. So I will submit that. Hey, we are getting good views on our social media posts. So this is how I will type whatever I want to update Anup, and after that I will submit it. So you can see these many options are available. There is no need to send update on email. Everything will be at one place in Microsoft Teams. So hope this will help you to organize your team progress, your team updates using Microsoft Teams. So today we saw how you can organize everything at one place using Microsoft Teams and Update app. You don't have to go in your inbox and check all those emails to analyze progress, to see the progress of your employee. Everything can be done at one place. And you can also see subsequent progress of your department, of your employee. So if you like my content, please like and subscribe my channel. So I will create this kind of videos again and again, and that will help you to grow your business. This is Sandeep Mishra signing out till we meet again.